tune.
Rock and roll until the end of your day. Well, do you ever stop and wonder why you do it all day? Putting in time on your way. Shoulder to the bone. Oh, you get rolling. Yes sir, no sir. You got the dough, so roll that rock. Roll that rock. Rock and roll until the end of your day. Well, here's a tale about a kid who flew into a rage. He found his only daughter in the arms of a slave. He said, "Guess too good for a man like you. I'm gonna tell you exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna take that rock and roll up that hill. When you get to the top, barely nor standing still, you're gonna roll it back down. Do it once more, do it till you just can't do it no more. You're gonna roll that rock, roll that rock, roll that rock. Keep the rock and roll until the end of your day. Well, the slave found a way to deal with sword and strife, and he didn't need a king ruling in his life. He learned to love that rock, love that hill. He put himself to it, man, he's doing it still. He's rolling that rock, rolling that rock, rolling that rock. Keep the rock and roll until the end of your day. So if you find yourself sitting on a funny boat, on a wrench up, broken down motor, pulling on a string line, trying to make a daylight, looking for the load at the bottom of the mine, keep rolling that rock. Yeah, put yourself to it. Ooh, roll that rock, try to make it pay. Roll that rock, I ain't down no road. Keep the rock and roll until the end of your day. Till the end of your day. Keep the rock and roll until the end of your day.
Yeah.
Yeah, roll
I guess you call that rock music.